How to create responsive designs using the layout builder in Flutter. With the MediaQuery, you can get the entire screen size of your device. The height and also the width is always updated in case the screen dimension of your device change. Instead of the MediaQuery, you could also use the layout builder to get the width and height of your device. Usually you use the constraints to create a responsive design, and then based on a breakpoint you decide to display a mobile version or a desktop version. With this we display the mobile version in our web browser and also on every phone because the device's screen width is smaller than 600 pixels. Otherwise, if you stretch the window width above 600 pixels, then we have the desktop version that we are displaying now. And this is basically a row with a content and a sidebar next to it. Also, you could wrap around this red content container another layout builder, whereas this time the constraints will get the size of this container. So you see that this red container has a different width than the screen width that is displayed below on the right side. And finally, you can use the width of this container to create another breakpoint. And we use then this flag to simply put another color for our container. As a result, the container is black because it is smaller than 400 pixels. If we change the container width above 400 pixels, then you see it changes to the red color. So all in all, with the layout builder, you can get the width and height of a specific widget. Whereas if we put here the MediaQuery inside, then you notice that the MediaQuery size only reflects the entire screen size, in this case the width of the window.